Broadcasting live from Route 3 SIX1015. Good morning all. I'm Najla, and serving you only the hottest and trending topic of the hour. We have Internet of Things, or as we say, IoT. Well, what is IoT really? IoT is the internet that creates a worldwide infrastructure interconnecting machines and humans. Introduced in the early 1900s and gaining its popularity in the 2010s, IoT has now drastically transformed how we live and work in the 21st century. Nearly everyone now uses IoT in their everyday life, from financial transactions even to healthcare applications. For a deeper scoop of what IoT actually is, let's jump ahead and hear what Nazira Edina has to say about the relationship between IoT and the fourth industrial revolution and its trend in the future.
To answer the question, according to Gilan Tadun, CEO of Banner Water, there is a close relationship between IoT and the fourth industrial revolution. It is following the third industrial revolution, which is also called as the digital revolution. The fourth industrial revolution adds new ways for technology and connected devices to be used in business and society. Some of the emerging fields in the fourth industrial revolution is IoT, robotic, machine learning, artificial intelligence (AI), nanotechnology, biotechnology, and quantum computing.
Digital wallet, or known as e-wallet. E-wallet stores money and allows one party to make electronic transaction. The balance usually comes from bank account, credit card, or cash top-up. You can buy anything without having to deal with cash or cards. E-wallet is an option for a contactless payment. E-wallet lets you pay by clicking a button and scanning a QR code. There's also a wide range of e-wallet application to choose from. For example, you can use Touch and Go to pay for your personal care stuff, and another option is that you can also pay for your food via MAE wallet. Users can pay quickly and easily with e-wallet.
We can also experience IoT in online shopping. Applications such as Shopee, Lazada, Foodpanda, and Grab are examples. With online shopping, we are no longer need to go to the shop manually and waste our energy. All we have to do is open your smartphone, choose your items, buy it, and get it by delivery service with access to the internet. Easy!
So, how does IoT operate? How does it work? There are three components in dealing with IoT, which are device with sensor, IoT platform, which is cloud, and connectivity. First, what is sensor? Sensor is a device that gathers input or data from physical phenomenon which will be transferred to the cloud. There are abundant types of sensor exist to capture different physical phenomena. For example, temperature sensor, proximity sensor, infrared sensor, gyroscopic sensor, and accelerometers. The second key component in dealing with IoT is IoT platform. IoT platform or cloud is the most important component for IoT to work. The cloud is a massive network that supports IoT devices and applications. Cloud provides medium where the input data are stored in the cloud database and then processed with the help of machine learning. Based on certain sets of data collected and the existing data in the database, the output is determined and conveyed to the device to react. Some well-known cloud service providers are Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Oracle, and IBM Cloud. The third key component is connectivity, which refers to the methods used to connect IoT devices and applications with the IoT platform. Generally, input data from IoT device are transferred to the IoT platform, then the processed data are transferred to create outputs. This is possible with the help of connectivity. Some of the most common types of connectivity are cellular, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, LPWAN(s), which is low power wide area network, and RFID, radio frequency identification.
There are some IoT applications that will be useful for the next generation. First is securing e-health IoT data on cloud system. It is defined as a field where the ability to collect and interpret health info from various sources aims to provide effective treatment and cure for various health problems. This can assist consumers make informed decisions about their health and can safeguard them from harm and provide them with reliable info. Next is artificial intelligence. It is defined as the ability for robots to memorize and learn from their experience, to think and create, to talk, to judge, and to make judgment in the same way that people do. By using artificial intelligence, the errors are decreased, the prospect of achieving better precision and accuracy is increased. As for example, Tesla, which uses artificial intelligence to support autopilot. The third one is edge computing. It is a form of computing that is done on-site or near a particular data source, minimizing the need for data to be processed in a remote data center. This technology enables IoT sensors to monitor machine health with low latencies and perform analytics in real time. It also saves cost and time. Drone-enabled crop management is an example of edge computing which helps to ease farmers' work. The fourth one is neuromorphic technology. It is a computer engineering in which computer components are designed after brain and nervous system. This application promotes energy efficiency, robustness against local failures, and execution speed. As for example, the Human Brain Project, which features the neuromorphic supercomputer Spinnaker, which aims to produce a functioning simulation.
Okay, so we've covered about what is IoT and applications of IoT in the real world and for next generations. Now we'll be moving on to the advantages and disadvantages of IoT to conclude. So the advantages of IoT include, first, it's easy to access and it's time efficient. It also allows automation and control. It allows control of electricity expenses, for example, and it has self-healing automated systems. Last but not least, at the end of the day, we get to reduce our expenses. But despite the plethora of advantages of IoT, there's also its disadvantages, which include data breach and privacy issues. It also causes us to be over-reliant on technology, and besides that, it's also quite technically complex, so it has a big learning curve for us to overcome. As you can see, the Internet of Things is a rather complicated technology, full of intricacies and risks, but also can give you unimaginable rewards. So we hope that you got something out of this, and don't forget to implement security measures in trying out IoT. That's all from us. Thank you.